Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best kitten milk is probably one of the most crucial decisions new pet parents face when welcoming a tiny, vulnerable feline into their home, as it directly impacts their growth, development, and overall well-being during those critical first weeks of life, ensuring they receive the essential nutrients needed to thrive and build a strong foundation for a healthy future. Number 5. Nutri-Vet Milk Replacer Powder for Kittens. Introducing Nutri-Vet Milk Replacer, the perfect solution for your kitten's nutritional needs. It provides essential protein, fat, carbohydrates, and vitamins to support their healthy growth. This formula is designed to support strong growth and healthy weight gain in newborn kittens. It's an ideal addition to your kitten care supplies. Our milk replacer is made with OptiGut, a natural formula with probiotics. This promotes healthy digestion, gut health, and optimal development for your kitten. Crafted by experienced veterinarians, this probiotic milk replacement ensures quality and safety. It's made with your pet's well-being in mind. Our newborn kitten supplies are proudly made in the USA. We ensure the highest quality and safety standards for the best kitten essentials kit. This versatile milk replacer is not just for kittens. It's also perfect for pregnant, nursing, and senior cats, providing them with vital nutrition. What we like. This formula is developed by veterinarians, ensuring a high standard of care for your little ones. It also includes probiotics for healthy digestion, which is crucial for growing kittens. If you are looking for a trusted, vet-approved option made with quality ingredients, this is a great choice. What people say. She laps this right up. It mixes easily, also great over dry kibble. Zero issues with diarrhea. She has doubled in size in the 4 weeks that she has been on this supplement. Her coat is so shiny. Perfectly formed stools. Eyes are bright. It gives them nutrients, help with weight gaining, and corrects digestive and intestinal issues. Within a few days diarrhea stops and they'll have healthy poos. The thickness was just right, but you are able to make it thinner or thicker by adjusting water to powder ratio to fit your needs. Number 4. PetLac Goat's Milk Esbilac Powder. Introducing Goat's Milk Esbilac, the ideal puppy milk replacement. It's formulated with whole goat milk protein, making it perfect for puppies with sensitive digestive systems. This formula provides all the essential nutritional elements for puppies from newborn to 6 weeks old. It closely mimics mother's milk in protein, fat, and carbohydrates. We've enriched our formula with vital vitamins, minerals, and trace nutrients. It also includes prebiotics and probiotics to support healthy immunity and digestion. Goat's Milk Esbilac is highly palatable and designed for easy digestion. Its special fiber blend promotes improved gut health for your little ones. Preparing this formula is easy. Simply whisk or shake 1 part powder with 2 parts warm water. Remember not to mix more than what can be consumed within 24 hours. PetLac is dedicated to enriching the lives of animals. Our science-backed products are made with high-quality ingredients and rigorous quality control. What we like. This option uses goat's milk protein, making it an excellent choice for puppies with sensitive stomachs. The inclusion of prebiotics and probiotics further aids digestion and gut health. If your puppy has a delicate digestive system or you're seeking a gentle yet nutritious milk replacer, this is the one to consider. What people say. This is a good tasting milk according to my dog. This has everything needed for a young puppy or rehabbing squirrels. It makes us very well, and is very smooth. The puppy absolutely loved it. I was able to supplement in a bottle with ease. Number 3. PetLac Powder for Kittens. Give your newborn kittens the best start with our milk replacement powder. It provides complete nutrition for healthy growth and development during their crucial first 6 weeks. This formula is perfect for orphaned, rejected, or nursing kittens. It offers essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids to ensure they thrive. It's not just for the little ones. This can also provide a vital nutritional boost for older or underweight cats, supporting their overall health. Our formula is highly palatable and easy to digest. It includes prebiotics and probiotics to promote a healthy gut and optimal nutrient absorption. Preparing a feeding is simple. Mix 1 tablespoon of powder with 2 tablespoons of warm water. Opened powder can be refrigerated for up to 3 months or frozen for up to 6 months. From a trusted leader in pet wellness, our science-backed formulas help enhance your pet's life. We are dedicated to supporting healthier, longer lives together. What we like. This powdered formula offers complete and balanced nutrition for kittens, including essential vitamins and minerals. Its easy-to-digest nature, enhanced by prebiotics and probiotics, makes it suitable for even the most delicate kittens. If you need a reliable, easy-to-prepare powder for orphaned or supplementing kittens, this is a solid option. What people say. The dried formula smelled fresh and easily mixed with water with no lumps. The kittens love it, they are gaining weight, and no diarrhea. Their enthusiasm at feeding time seems to indicate that they really like the flavor. If you have trouble with clumps, try fixing the formula in a watertight Tupperware container and shaking it instead of stirring it. I have found that shaking gets rid of the clumps a lot better and faster than stirring does. Perfect for kittens as they can't digest milk and lactose. Number 2. PetLac Liquid Milk Replacement for Kittens. Introducing PetLac Liquid, the perfect milk replacement for your newborn kittens. It's designed to support their healthy growth and development from birth up to 1 year old. This formula is an excellent food source for kittens who are orphaned, rejected by their mother, or are in the process of weaning. It provides the necessary nutrients they need. We understand that kittens can be picky eaters. That's why this milk replacement is highly palatable and easy for all breeds to digest, ensuring they get the nutrition they need. No mixing required. Our ready-to-feed formula is convenient for busy pet owners. Simply shake gently and serve. Remember to refrigerate after opening. PetLac has been a trusted leader in pet wellness for years. Our science-backed formulas, like this milk replacer, help pet owners enhance their pets' lives for more healthy years together. What we like. This is a ready-to-feed liquid formula, offering ultimate convenience for busy caregivers. It's easy to digest and comes in a resealable Tetra Pak, perfect for multiple feedings. If you prioritize ease of use and don't want the hassle of mixing powder, especially when you need to feed frequently, this liquid option is ideal. What people say. This is a wonderful product and helped my kittens so much. It is super easy to use, just shake and pour. This milk did the trick. They drank it eagerly and were satisfied and slept well after feeding time. This milk kept them healthy. This rich formula greatly helped get him back on track, properly hydrated and feeling strong and energetic quickly. Number 1. PetLac KMR Kitten Milk Replacer Liquid. Introducing KMR Kitten Milk Replacer, the scientifically formulated solution when mother's milk isn't available. It provides essential nutrition for kittens from birth to 6 weeks old. Our formula closely mimics mother's milk with the right balance of protein, fat, and carbohydrates. It's fortified with vitamins, minerals, and trace nutrients to support immunity and healthy digestion. This highly palatable formula is designed for easy digestion and promotes good gut health. It's gentle on your kitten's sensitive system. Simply shake gently and warm to room or body temperature before serving. It's a ready-to-feed solution for busy caregivers. PetLac is dedicated to enriching the lives of animals with science-backed, high-quality products. Trust our expertise for your pet's nutritional needs. What we like. This ready-to-feed liquid formula is scientifically designed to be the next best thing to mother's milk. It's easy to digest and provides all the necessary nutrients for young kittens. If you're in a situation where a mother cat is unavailable and you need a readily available, highly nutritious, and easily digestible option, this is a top contender. What people say. It gave us peace of mind, and the kitten responded well. If you're in a situation where normal diet isn't possible, mother absent, rejected kitten, or supplement needed, then this product is one of the best options I've used. It offers high-quality nutrition in a very convenient form. Babies love it and it is packed with the vitamins they need. This mix was easy to use and the feral kittens loved it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.